Studying in South Africa is expensive. Tuition fees, textbooks, transport, accommodation. The costs add up fast, shutting many doors before they even open. But what if you could sidestep most of those costs? What if you could access credible, fully funded education without owing a cent? That's exactly what this video covers. The top legitimate ways to study for free in South Africa. 1. Government bursaries and scholarships. The National Student Financial Aid Scheme, NSFAS, is the most well-known option, but it's not your only shot. NSFAS funds tuition and living costs for qualifying students at public universities and TVET colleges. The key is eligibility, based on your household income, academic results, and course choice. Many provinces also offer bursaries specifically for local students pursuing scarce skills like teaching, engineering, or nursing. The best advice? Check your provincial education department website regularly and apply early. These bursaries often cover fees, books, and even transport. They're not just handouts, they're investments in skills South Africa desperately needs. 2. University-specific scholarships. Many universities have their own bursary and scholarship programs, often targeted at top-performing students or those from underprivileged backgrounds. These scholarships can cover full tuition or specific expenses like accommodation and books. For example, the University of Cape Town, Stellenbosch University, and WITS all offer comprehensive bursaries for academically excellent students and those studying priority fields. Always check university websites directly and reach out to their financial aid officers. Don't wait for them to advertise. Some scholarships also reward leadership, sports, or community service, so highlight your unique strengths in applications. 3. Sector-specific bursaries. Several government departments and private companies offer bursaries targeting specific fields. Think agriculture, health sciences, education, and technology. Companies like Eskom, Transnet, and the Department of Health fund students who commit to working for them after graduation. These bursaries usually cover tuition, books, and sometimes accommodation, and monthly stipends. The catch? You must sign a contract to work with the sponsor for a set period after completing your studies. If you're serious about your career path, these bursaries offer not just free education, but a guaranteed job. This is a strategic way to align your education with immediate employment opportunities in key sectors. 4. Learnerships and apprenticeships. Learnerships combine practical work experience with formal study, usually sponsored by companies or government agencies. They provide nationally recognized qualifications while paying you a stipend, so you earn as you learn. No tuition fees, no debt. Apprenticeships are similar but focus more on trades like electrical work, plumbing, or automotive repairs. These programs are perfect for those who prefer hands-on learning and want a direct route into employment. While securing a placement can be competitive, many sectors are actively seeking learners to meet skills shortages, making this an accessible and valuable option. Plus, these programs often offer mentorship and networking opportunities that can jumpstart your career. They also build a strong foundation of practical skills that employers highly value in today's job market. 5. Study through distance learning. Distance learning universities, like UNISA, offer a flexible and affordable way to study without relocating or leaving your job. UNISA's tuition fees are lower than most traditional universities, and many courses qualify for NSFAS funding, meaning you can still study for free if you meet the criteria. The advantage is clear. You control your schedule, making it ideal for working students or parents. Additionally, some private institutions now offer free or low-cost accredited online courses that can boost your skills and resume. If you're disciplined and self-motivated, distance learning can be your ticket to a degree without the typical financial strain. This method also allows you to balance life's demands while progressing steadily toward your qualification. Bonus tip: stay updated on hidden and new bursaries. Apart from the big names like NSFAS and university scholarships, smaller bursaries often fly under the radar. Many private companies, NGOs, and even local municipalities offer bursaries for specific groups or fields of study. The key is to stay informed by regularly checking bursary databases, university financial aid pages, and government portals. Also, network with current students and academic advisors who often hear about these opportunities first. Persistence pays off. Some of the best bursaries require early applications and thorough documentation, so preparation and follow-through are essential. Tracking deadlines carefully and preparing your documents in advance can make all the difference between winning or missing out.
Now that you know the top ways to study for free in South Africa, the power is in your hands. These options aren't just possibilities. They're proven paths thousands of students have walked before you. But knowledge alone won't get you through. It takes preparation, persistence, and a plan to make it happen. Applying early, staying organized, and following up on every opportunity will set you apart from the crowd. Remember, bursaries and learnerships aren't handed out randomly. If you're serious about education and breaking free from financial barriers, treat this like a job. Track deadlines, perfect your applications, and don't be afraid to ask for help from university financial aid offices or bursary administrators. Education is the foundation for building a better future, not just for you, but for your family and community. You're already on the right path by watching this video and seeking real solutions. Keep that momentum going, because in a world where costs keep rising, being smart about how you study can change everything. At Economic Indicators, we don't wait for the economy to change, we outsmart it.